Ever pondered the significance of clean, purified water in healthcare facilities? The role of water is not just limited to quenching our thirst, but it's a significant factor in maintaining hygiene, preventing infections, and promoting overall health and wellness. One of the vital tools that ensure the provision of clean water in healthcare facilities is the reverse osmosis or RO water machine. The RO water machine functions on the principle of advanced filtration, removing contaminants, impurities, and dissolved solids from water. This multi-stage filtration process includes a pre-filtration stage where larger particles are removed, followed by activated carbon filtration to filter out chlorine and organic compounds. The final stage is the reverse osmosis membrane filtration, which effectively removes dissolved minerals and contaminants. The efficiency of these machines is commendable. They consistently produce large volumes of purified water with minimal maintenance. Moreover, their compact design makes them suitable for even those healthcare facilities which have limited space. Now let's delve into the working principle of an RO water machine. Initially, water passes through a pre-filtration stage, removing larger particles to protect the membrane. The water is then forced through a semi-permeable membrane at high pressure. This membrane allows water molecules to pass through while blocking contaminants and impurities. As the water passes through, it separates into two streams, pure water and a concentrated solution containing the removed contaminants. The pure water then undergoes post-filtration to further improve its quality, removing any remaining impurities and enhancing taste and odor. The benefits of using RO water machines in healthcare facilities are numerous. They provide safe and clean drinking water, promoting hydration, wellness, and overall health. They help reduce the risk of waterborne diseases and infections, a crucial aspect in healthcare settings where vulnerable populations may be at a higher risk. Moreover, the purified water can be used for a variety of clinical applications, supporting infection control measures. In conclusion, an RO water machine is a critical component of healthcare facilities, enhancing the quality of water and thereby contributing to better health outcomes. Its advanced filtration system, high efficiency, and compact design make it an ideal choice for maintaining water purity and safety in healthcare settings.